I'm Rachel Abbott, and here are some of the stories making the Evening Standard's front page. Boris Johnson has faced criticism from travel agents facing a wave of cancellations due to the government's nightmare handling of foreign holiday restrictions. Speaking to the Evening Standard, travel industry bosses said the situation was made worse by leaks about which countries would have their status changed. Labour today called for the amber category to be scrapped altogether because of the huge confusion it is creating and the huge number of travellers coming through our airports. This comes as reports suggest Portugal could be moved from the green list to the amber list. It is also understood that 7 countries have been added to the red list. Travellers from Egypt, Sri Lanka, Costa Rica, Bahrain, Sudan, Trinidad and Tobago and Afghanistan may need to quarantine on arrival. Plus, all hopes of a getaway were dashed after no new countries were added to the existing green list. Assessments of travel lists are based on a range of factors, including the proportion of a population that has been vaccinated, rates of infection, emerging new variants, and access to reliable scientific data and genomic sequencing. Dozens of riot police were deployed in Brixton after officers who went to the aid of a young shooting victim were pelted with bricks and bottles. A crowd of more than 100 people approached police who had been called to reports of a man who had been stabbed and shot. The man in his 20s was taken to a South London hospital, where his condition is thought to be life-changing. A 17-year-old male has been arrested on suspicion of attempted murder and remains in custody. And finally, COVID-19 jabs are dramatically reducing cases of life-threatening disease and deaths from the virus in London, medical chiefs say. Dr. Alistair Chesser, Chief Medical Officer of the Barts Health Group, hailed the vaccine as the game changer. The number of COVID-19 patients in London's hospitals has remained flat for the last week and at an 8-month low, with the latest figure being 236 as of June 1st. For all of these stories and more, head to standard.co.uk, and why not hit the bell below so you don't miss a thing.